financing a Class C property in today's market?
Yeah, so at the beginning of 2022, I mean, there was a lot of bridge lenders in the space, but they really focused on Class A and B, so newer properties. Class C property right now, I'd probably focus in on getting a little bit higher cap rate, so maybe a 5.5, 6.5 cap rate, and that's going to allow you to get decent leverage on Fannie Freddie, so maybe 65, 70% leverage on Fannie Freddie, and that's going to really set you up for success. I would say number one though, making sure that you have enough CapEx. These Class C properties a lot of times will underwrite replacement reserves at 250 or 300 a unit, but a lot of times you're going to need a little bit more. So for those unexpected, whether it's plumbing or roofing or interior upgrades costing a little bit more money. So Fannie and Freddie are good executions right now, and then also making sure you raise enough money for CapEx.
Street here, checking out this property, you can see all the cars that are going by. That's really good for property's visibility. You get nice signage out there, some big tall signs, or a new big sign that'll drive traffic to the property.
Yeah, and a lot of people they need access to sort of downtown Dallas and the surrounding jobs, whether it's going down Beltline, the tollway, or getting over the I-35. So that's why Carrollton has stayed full pretty consistently in terms of occupancy. So all these properties right here, even though there might be 1,000 units right here in this pocket, they're all 90, 95, 96% occupied because the demand drivers of jobs are close by and the school district.
Some of the exterior improvements that you could do on some of these older properties.
All right, let's pan around here. I mean, some of these properties were built in the 60s and 70s. So you can come in, do the siding, the wood siding along the balconies, repaint with upgraded painting. And then if you look on the other side, solar screens to give it sort of a clean look. And then, just rebrand it. A good sign over here, good signage in the front so people know exactly what the property name is. And then also a new color scheme, and that just gives people that gets people in the door, right, in terms of your leasing office. And then once you get inside of the units, we're seeing a lot of people go with sort of vinyl plank flooring and updated countertops on a lot of these.